Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude to Google Calendar. So let's get started. So first, go ahead and open your Claude and log into your account. From here, you want to click this plus icon, choose connectors, and then choose add connector. Now this is where you can link your apps. You want to look for Google Calendar in the connectors library. Then go ahead and click on it and choose connect. Once you do this, it'll ask you to sign into your Google account and also allow some permissions so Claude can view and manage your calendar events. Once that is done, your Google Calendar is now connected to Claude. So instead of manually checking your schedule, you can just ask Claude things like what's on my calendar tomorrow or show my meetings this week, and it'll instantly pull up your events. You can also use it to create and manage events. For example, you can just say, schedule a meeting tomorrow at 3 p.m., and Claude will add it to your calendar. You can even ask it to update or cancel events without opening Google Calendar yourself. So that's about it. Connecting Claude to Google Calendar basically turns your schedule into a smart assistant that helps you stay organized and on track. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.